Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to be making some pork spare ribs. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to put a dry rub on them, and they're going to go into the fridge for a couple of hours, and then when they come out I'm going to cook them in the oven, and then we're going to slather them in barbecue sauce. So for my dry rub, I just put some cumin, some salt, some pepper, very little salt though because I have garlic salt in here as well. I have some fresh oregano and thyme that I chopped up, but not much, just a little bit. I also have some chili powder in here, and I think that's all I put in here. If I remember and I forget, I'll put it up on the screen exactly what I put in here. But this is my dry rub. I feel like it's just simple and it's gonna be tasty. So I'm gonna do the bottom of the ribs first. I don't cut off the membrane that's at the bottom of the ribs. Some people do because it's tough, but I don't mind it. So I just leave mine on. So I'm gonna do the bottom first. You want to make sure you cover it all. So make sure that you make enough dry rub. So that's good for this side.
Hey! Hey!
So now I'm just gonna flip it over. Well, you're gonna want to press the dry rub down too. Now, that's okay if you don't want to put it on the bottom of your meat. I like to have it on both sides. So, I'm going to scoop some of this off. There we go. Just get that all covered on the meat. Okay. So now I'm going to flip these over. Just I have to grab the other end, otherwise it's gonna fall. Put them over. Don't worry if some of your dry rub comes off, because we're gonna be wrapping this in the saran wrap afterwards, so whatever fell off, it's gonna stick to the meat anyways. So just sprinkle the rest on top. All over. It's scary. So I'm just going to wash my hands. Always make sure after you're using any type of meat that you wash your hands and don't start touching things in your kitchen. You don't want to contaminate everything. Nice and clean. So now we're just going to wrap the ribs up into the saran wrap that I have underneath it. Pull it. So I'm going to be cooking it on this tray as well when it's done marinating in the fridge, so it's convenient. And once I take it out, I just unwrap it, keep it on the same tray, pop it in the oven, and I'm probably going to be covering the top of this with some foil for the first 20 minutes of cooking, and then I'll take it off so that it'll get nice and brown and yummy on top. So we'll be back in a couple of hours once this comes out of the fridge. Okay guys, so with the ribs I'm making tonight, I'm going to also be making some steamed broccoli, and I'm just going to prepare the salad right now, and we're going to be having spinach and pistachio salad. So you're just going to need tomato. I'm using a tomato and a half because I have a half in the fridge that I have to use, so I'm going to use a tomato and a half, and then I have some cucumber and these pistachios. I'm going to have to take them out of the shell, but these are really good. I also have some chermol salad left, and basically that's just like finely chopped up tomatoes. I use lime juice, usually use lemon. Well, my mother-in-law uses lemon. Lots of cilantro. Can't even tell you how much because you just kind of eyeball it. and some salt and pepper, and basically that's it. And it's really, really, really good. So the longer you leave it in your fridge, the better it tastes. So I'm gonna add that into the spinach because I know my husband will enjoy that. So let's get to chopping. So I'm going to peel my cucumber because my husband doesn't like the skins on the cucumber, so I'm going to peel the skin off before I slice it up. So I'm just going to use my mandolin to slice these because I want them to be sliced really fine. Usually I cut my cucumber just with my knife, but I want them to be really thin. So we'll just do half. Please be very careful when you're using one of these. I have cut my thumb once on these. They're very, very, very sharp. So just be careful if you're using one of these. Okay, so funny. These actually don't have their shells. I guess I misread the packaging, but they already have been shelled. So I'm just gonna chop these up a little bit because I don't want to just dump in whole pistachios. But these are so good. So I switched my cucumbers and my tomato over into a different bowl, and I'm just gonna pour in my leftover chermol salad. I'm gonna mix that in with the cucumbers and tomato. Oh, and I just remembered there was also onion in the chermol salad, but I will be making a video on how I make it in case anyone's interested. So I'm gonna grab my bowl that I'm putting my spinach in, and this spinach is already washed, so I think that should be good. Let's see. And I love it because, see, you can just seal it right back up and put it back in the fridge and then use it for something else. So it's really, really convenient. This container of spinach. I'm going to start I'm just gonna put the tomato and cucumbers on top, just like this. I'm probably not gonna put all of this. I'm probably gonna store some of this in the fridge, and my husband will take it to work because he loves taking cucumbers and tomatoes to work. So I'll probably just put half because I didn't realize it was going to be this much salad. And I honestly only ended up using half of the whole tomato and then the other half. So now I have another half I have to use, which is fine. I will find something to do with it. Let's put some more. I think that's enough on top. And now I'm just going to add in my pistachios. And that is it, you guys.